Huh? Yeah, we're filming a segment on jerk chicken in Brooklyn. Yeah, we're doing like a profile of jerk chicken spots.
Best jerk chicken is Patty Hut.
Patty Hut? You love Patty Hut? I like them. I like them a lot too. Here in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, where I've loved and lived for so much of my life. And it's a serene summer day where I'm going to be exploring exactly what makes this neighborhood unique and beautiful and robust. And I think it's the Caribbean culture here. So I'm gonna check out some of the best jerk chicken spots that are right here in this neighborhood and give you a slice of the islands as I make my way across Brooklyn. My first stop is a local haunt on Nostrand Ave called Peppa's. What could rep jerk flavor more than this name? Takeout here is so packed on Friday, don't expect your order to arrive on polite time. Like much of Jamaican culture, if it's good, it's also rude. This is my order. It's a small jerk chicken. And I have two types of jerk sauce on here. One is the more pepper-based, and one is kind of like a sweet ketchup hybrid, where the sweetness is meant to take some of the heat off of the jerk, but I love that heat. So I'm just gonna dive right in. The meat is really tender, and the crisp from the char brings a new element of flavor to it. And one thing I love about Peppa's, about Jamaican cuisine, there's always some kind of sweet bread you can combine. So this is festival. It's basically just a fried sweet bread. Oh my God. This is what I needed. I had a late night. The storefronts, the houses, these tree-lined blocks are the representation of people who've lived here for 30, 40 years. So people who came from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, all live here in this stretch of Brooklyn. The history here is also that people brought their food traditions. They brought rum-soaked sugarcane, sweet and spicy flavor profiles that we now understand as the highest cuisine in all of the world. The International African Arts Festival. That is also known as the African Street Festival in Crown Heights, Brooklyn. I'm here at Tropical Treats for my favorite jerk stand. I'm not gonna lie, I met Bob from Tropical Treats on a night out full of cheap drinks and easy thrills. He was hustling legs, thighs, and sauce like a true diehard. When I spied and smelled the paper boxes of chicken and his smokestack, I knew I'd be trapped in a jerk love affair not soon to perish. Bob let me return the next day and trouble him for sinewy spice and his special jerk burger. We have a debate going on because this gent says that jerk is not from Port Antonio side in Jamaica. He's from Manchester, and he says it is from Manchester. Yeah? All right. Where did you learn jerk? Who teach you? In the backyard. You don't have to give away a recipe, but what is the most important part of jerk seasoning?
Scallion, thyme, onion, and garlic.
Scallion, thyme, onion, and garlic. So it doesn't matter what pepper you use.
Ginger.
Ginger used for spice. Forever Jerk is without pretense. It's tucked away in the hood of Jamaica, Queens, basically like a roadside jerk shack, aka the best kind. With the glowing review from the New York Times food critic Pete Wells, it could soar to immodesty if it wanted. And Richie, the grandpa of the venue, certainly knew they were in rarefied company, but he celebrated the top-notch flavor by stuffing me and my producer with food and letting that speak almost as much as him. Forever Jerk Chicken really blessed us today, and I had more than just the jerk. I had the island floral profile that I had been waiting for maybe my entire life. I talked to O'Neill, who is the mastermind behind their jerk recipes, who inherited those recipes from his mom, I talked to Richie, who was the official taster of Forever Jerk, and I got everything that I wanted out of an experience. I'm so glad I went on this jerk chicken tour. I think it's gonna be a lifelong quest though, because if there is anything like the jerk I experienced here, there might be some other great hidden spots for Jamaican jerk chicken that are just waiting to fill my belly, and I need to see where those are. I'm Andrew Ricketts. Taste made me do it.